In 2021, a passionate entrepreneur, Miss Suklin Dohling, inspired and equipped with training from various departments, began crafting delectable jams and honey. In 2022, she ventured into experimenting with finger millet products with the help of an expert from KVK, East Khasi Hills.
Kastang ka kam ko jonga bangande kanika food processing nang kong do na thedia ka umngap bar hade nang tapade kawan ka cemut perkhat chapang ukrai na marba mansyang ngam jo la bande ya ukrai hade nang ta nga super sang da ka bangas de bar hade nang tapade nga super sang ban sna ko muharlex da ka mga page na YouTube hade nang tapade nga kando ya ikong eldalin na po KBK but maihi igait yang hado ba andala ban proses siya mo yung finger millet milk but lang ba ka tingarap jong iba ro hi tenga tak nangkiu syuk sapanggan.
KVK's intervention through the provision of essential inputs, expert guidance in procurement and strategic designing of packaging, labeling and branding helped Ms. Suklin Dohling turn an initial investment of just ₹5,000 to a remarkable annual net return of ₹50,000.
Dimension ng kongdo nga pendon kamtang da ikranda ibarit hakasis ngi arkilo nilaban penmi te namat pakasimpor ba but mentang ngayo kaning machine lang baka jengarap na KBK kabamaki ki lapan nyarap banyo bat nga kamilen ti banang ne sakmat padalang baka jeng donyo kaning machine ba lakum ngi laban penmi 20 kilo hakasis ngi kan.
The collaboration between the Farmers Commission and the KVK has immensely profited one of the entrepreneurs. The MFEC was able to provide the entrepreneur with a very suitable machine for processing.
On a momentous day, the 17th of January 2024, the Millet Milling Machine was officially inaugurated. Funded by the Meghalaya Farmers Empowerment Commission and facilitated by KVK, East Khasi Hills.
Di mentah hakni ka sngi haka khatnyo tarik Januari arpo arpusaw ngidap daga jingso komen ba ngila ban don ni ha jaka jong kini ka Marbin food processing kaba punya ada ikong Suklin but daga jing komen kaba kraw mentang yo ban ai kini ka machine ya ikong Suklin kani ka machine la ai na ka office jong ka Meghalaya Farmers Empowerment Commission but mangini ni na KVK ni adon lang ba ikong Suklin kani ka jing tri kam jong i ke congratulations ko ma all the best.
As of now, only one entrepreneur has received a machine, a grinding machine, and we hope that many such farmers, entrepreneurs who have unique products and who really are prospective and who are in need of assistance, we will be able to link them with the MFEC and further explore ways and means to help them.
Ms. Suklin's story is a testament to the power of collaboration, dedication, and the transformative impact that support from organizations like the KVK, East Khasi Hills, and the Meghalaya Farmers Empowerment Commission can have on local entrepreneurs. As she continues to innovate and grow, Ms. Suklin Dohling stands as an inspiration to aspiring entrepreneurs, proving that with the right support, dreams can indeed turn into reality.